Hello Internet and welcome to Unbox Surgery. Today I got a package to unbox here. It is from Skull & Co. for Tomorrow Gamers. This is a company that is from Indiegogo, a startup. But if you look closely at the box, you will see that it is for Switch, smartphone, DeX TV Out and laptops. You come to think, what kind of device that can be used for three types of devices? Well, actually it is a dock or a stand for your phone, your Switch, and even a hub for your laptop. The packaging is so simple. You just open it and you'll just find the hub there, which is inside the dock. This is a special edition and the theme or the color of this dock is from SNES and it is meant to be a Nintendo Switch dock. You can press the back or the top back of this dock to raise the back up. By raising it, it helps to support the Switch from tilting front and back and hurting the USB Type-C port into your Switch. The wobbling from front to the back will be minimal in this case. As you can see, the clearance between the back of the dock and the Switch is very minimal, so you will be rest assured that your Switch will be rested. Well, when you come to the I/O, it is from the back, which is a very nice gesture because your cable comes from the back of your TV. And what the I/O have is a USB Type-C, which is for the power, one HDMI and two USB Type-A. If you flip the dock upside down, there you will see that there is a kickstand where you can open it and raise the dock a little bit toward the back. The USB Type-C in the dock is very flexible. It can twist front and back, so you will worry no more that your Switch is rested assured. And you will be very happy that this guide pillar can be removed, so you don't have to remove the covering case or the protective case from your Switch to dock it in this dock. I said earlier that this dock can be used as well as a USB Type-C hub for your laptop. Just flip the dock and then you will see that this black dot can be removed or slided outside and you will see the dock for you here. There ain't much for this dock, but all what I can say about it is that it is very simple to use. It is very stable in the table and it is very easy to hold your Switch or even your phone and secure them very well, and even it can neglect any wobble that you have that can affect the USB Type-C port in your phone or in your Switch. And more importantly, it is a very open design, not like the official Nintendo dock where it is very closed from the back and the front, so your Switch will be shocked and the heat will not be very well exhausted. This design does not have a fan, but it is open to the environment. For me, I feel safer more to keep my Switch docked for a long time period with this one rather than the official one. But I think this dock is so inconvenient to be used as a USB Type-C hub for laptops because you have to pull the core or the USB hub from the back and the hub does not have an extension cable, so you have to put it immediately toward your laptop, but there's another USB, you plug it into your laptop or something else that blocked this hub. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.